PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for the last day of June, June the 30th, 2008. As the summertime rolls along, let's go to some Skycam shots. We'll begin with a look at the Tuscaloosa Skycam from yesterday when those big thunderstorms were blowing in. Good to see some nice rains across the state yesterday. And, of course, some of the storms did knock down trees and power lines, which was not necessarily a good thing. But the rain we certainly did welcome. This morning, the same camera there looking back off to the east toward Bryant-Denny Stadium and DCH Regional Medical Center showing that the rain is gone and looks like we'll be dry for the first half of this week. And from the Birmingham camera, looking back off to the east from the top of the Daniel building, some lingering clouds. Those will likely be gone soon, and we think the day will be mostly sunny. And look at that, very deep trough for summertime over the eastern U.S., and that's going to set the stage for very comfortable weather for the next couple of days with dry conditions. And check out those 40s up north, up around Duluth, Minnesota, 50s down to Chicago and into northern parts of Kansas and Missouri. And we've got 60s down here this morning, and a good chance we will go into the upper 50s early tomorrow morning. Nights will be cooler for the first half of this week, and even during the day with a good deal of sunshine, we're expecting highs only in the mid-80s today and tomorrow, mid to upper 80s. This is the QPF map valid through Friday evening, and understand this will take into account the rain that did fall last night and also rain that will fall Friday. We think that the first half of the week will be dry, and we'll bring in the chance of a few isolated showers Thursday, then scattered storms by Friday, the 4th of July, with the front coming down. Let's look at the modeling here. Today, very high amplitude for summertime. A ridge over the west, 594 circle around the Four Corners. Big, deep trough over the east. And the deeper moisture pushed down to far south Alabama today. So any shower should be south of Montgomery. The sky becoming mostly sunny here. Tomorrow, dry air is the story. Almost all of Alabama with bright sunshine after a nice morning. We'll be in the upper 50s to start the day around here. And the same thing on Wednesday. Very dry air. So easy forecast for the next 3 days. Now, Thursday, the weather still looks pretty dry here. I think we'll call it partly sunny. We've got a front to the north. Moisture to the south, but again, prospects of rain not looking good. And how about Independence Day, Friday? Still got a trough over the east and a ridge over the west. That's the basic idea, the trough pushing down another surface front just north of the state. And this is really still suggesting the deeper moisture will be down south, the better showers in the front will be up north. So maybe we can escape without rain, but I think with respect to that, you have to mention at least the chance of an afternoon shower or storm on Friday. And then Saturday, the front kind of hangs up and stalls out around Interstate 40 in Tennessee, and the moisture moves north, so that looks like we'll have scattered showers and storms around. And Sunday, the same deal, a pretty soupy air mass. So like this past weekend, it's not going to rain the whole time, but along the way, a few showers and thunderstorms would seem likely, and Monday of next week looking fairly moist as well. Let's go deeper into July. 4 more days, the 12th of July. The trough has gone over the east, a ridge all across the lower states. And at the surface, hey, what's that down there just west of Fort Myers? Little tropical system showing up. You know, it's about time for the tropics to pulse up. The next day, that thing moves up toward Apalachicola with deep moisture across the south. And on the 15th, the moisture kind of hangs around, so it'll be interesting to see if by chance that verifies, and more than likely it won't, but I would not be shocked if we were to see the tropics opening up with that warm weather down there at some point in coming weeks. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today, and of course we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.